Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be making a video that I did a while ago, so kind of like similar but a little bit different. So you guys know I did do top 3s, top 5s back in the past, a long time ago, and now I'm bringing them back. I'm going to do one now this time where it's going to be the top 3 independent monster truck tours that I believe are the top 3 best ones. So let me know in the comments down below what your top 3 are. And yeah, I don't really have much else to say other than these are fantastic tours. No hate towards any other independent tour, but these are just the top 3 in my opinion. So without any further ado, let me show you guys them. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. It's Monster 5 Storm, signing out. Goodbye.